activity and all, and I am in contact with so many schools. No school has done this work. I can proudly say, because except KVAT, many even city school also not that much group activity was not done by the students. So hope our work will be highlighted in your Delhi. You will see. Anyway, we will see.
International sports day.
International
Sports day. National Sports Day. National Sports Day, no? Today?
yes. Posters, posters you are talking.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
So posters we have, from our class 19 posters we have collected, and most of the posters we are making in the form of flip book. The flip book, it will if you click that link means it's just like a paper you can turn and see, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay. And the most some posters, if it is very light means you cannot see. So like, but other teacher has done. Anyway, I have passed all the posters. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because today if we complete means Monday onwards first lesson we will start. So maybe Monday I don't have class, I think so. Tuesday onwards we'll start with the new lesson. Okay. So now we have to go for microphone.
Ma'am, when will we learn about our lat marks, ma'am?
Lat marks, why you are more worried? Teacher only has to collect all the lat marks. Then we'll send to the exam department. Then afterwards you'll get the report card. So mitochondria, how?
Ma'am, it's zooming in, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's zooming in continuously, so we can't. It's so blurry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, we can hear you, ma'am. It's echoing a lot.
Now?
Now we can hear, ma'am.
Now it's okay, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but it's continuously zooming in again and again, ma'am. Zooming in and zooming out.
For all children it is doing like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That means my connectivity is not good, huh? I didn't know.
Right. Now it's okay, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Okay.
So now again it's zooming in.
Don't worry, and asking you do that screenshot and you do post it. What I'm telling you, just you listen and write. If not possible, means don't worry. She'll post. Then afterwards, you can write it from the photocopy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This speciality of DNA is having own DNA. Only nucleus only will have DNA, whereas this mitochondria will also have a own DNA, and it is made up of a double membrane. The outer membrane is slightly porous, and inner membrane is folded. This is the outer membrane. This is the outer membrane. Outer membrane. The inner membrane only little folding will go like this and that. Like this and that. Okay. Like this. This is the inner membrane. This is the inner membrane. Outer membrane, inner membrane. So when it is going inside the inner membrane, they will give a different name. That we'll call it as crystal. Okay, and it will have some bodies called the oxysome. That tunnel in studying high class. Anyway, it will have a two layer. It will have two membranes, and it will have a rod shape. Rod shape. Rod shape structure. Rod shape. And it has double membrane. It has double membrane. Double membrane. Yes, double membrane. And it will cavity is filled with fluid. Cavity is filled with fluid. Then it will contain ribosome form. And ribosome, right? And ribosome. So it will have a cavity filled with the matrix. Cavity filled with fluid. That we will call it as matrix. And it is called the powerhouse of the cell. It's called the powerhouse of the powerhouse of the okay. ATP is produced, genetic currency. Adenosine, aligo,
Ma'am, can you please move the camera a bit forward, ma'am?
forward, okay? I push
A
my
bit
keyboard.
towards right, ma'am. A bit towards right.
Right,
Ma'am.
right, okay. Now,
Now it's okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate called energy currency. It is called as energy currency. Called as energy currency. Okay. And
After there, ma'am, powerhouse of this is after that, what is there, ma'am?
it is the powerhouse of the cell where ATP called energy currency is produced. And well, how it is produced means it's breaking down of the food. It is breaking down of the food, then only you will get that ATP molecules. So it break down the food and it will convert that food into energy. Okay. So this is regarding mitochondria. And next one is we will talk about Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. This is actually having the fluid. It is also having fluid filled vesicles will be there. And in plant cell, it is having a different name. It can be called as a dictosome. Instead of Golgi apparatus, in plant cell, it will be called as animal cell. It is called as animal animal cell. It's called as Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Apparatus. Plant cell. Plant cell is called as
Mom? Mom? Excuse me, mom.
called as okay, and it is having a stacked membrane. These are having a stacked membrane, having full structure. And what is the function of this Golgi apparatus? It is sickly. We have the package. Sickly enzymes. And it will use for packing. It is acting as a packing. This is packing.
Mom, your voice is not clear, mom. It's breaking. Mom, your voice is breaking. Your voice is clear.
it will give. Okay. And
Ma'am,
also,
what is breaking?
cell membrane. That's the next formation of also, there is
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
and of cell membrane. Formation of cell membrane. Okay. And the next one is lysosome. Last one, and we will see then differences between them. Yes, lysosomes. This is containing powerful digestive enzymes. The lysosome contains powerful digestive enzymes. And it is membrane bound vesicle. Membrane bound vesicle is now structured with fibrous vesicle containing powerful digestive enzymes. Powerful digestive. What is the function? Function is destroy or a coin somewhere it is coming like microbes, it destroy. Foreign materials. Foreign materials. Foreign means Canada, Australia, like that, we should not take them. Anything which is coming out from the body into the cell, then it is called as foreign bodies. And it is remove out the cells. Remove all of them. Remove all cells. So it is called as two-sided bag. Two-sided. It's called as only 34 as present. Why 34 is present? Many are absent today. What
Ma'am,
exam
can you read
papers
the
only, no?
sentences, ma'am? Ma'am, can you read all of them, ma'am, again? Yes, ma'am, we can't see. Ma'am left the meeting. Ma'am, left the meeting.
Did anyone take a screenshot for the first one? Mitochondria.
No. I just recorded everything.
Like, I just wrote it.
I
Yeah,
just
can you please post a picture of it? I couldn't take screenshot only of mitochondria.
No problem. I will send. I will send my.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So this much regarding the cell structure, and last end one is difference between plant cell and animals. Okay.
Ma'am, we can't see the board, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just please read out the points, ma'am?
You are not able to see my board.
Ma'am, the mirror is only visible, ma'am.
Okay.
You have turned your camera, ma'am.
Now we can see.
Yes.
No.
Somebody.
Ma'am, can you read the points, ma'am?
Which
Once
one?
again.
Which one?
Lysosome.
Lysosome. So lysosome is actually it is having a membrane, and inside the membrane it will have the enzymes. And any outside body like any other microbes like bacteria, virus, anything comes means it will kill that one. So it will destroy the foreign materials. And sometimes some endoplasmic reticulum may be torn out or some Golgi apparatus may be worn out. Like that, any other damage is there inside the cell apparatus system, that and all it will go to the lysosome, and lysosomes will break into pieces because it is having a very powerful digestive enzymes. So it is called as two-sided bag. Okay. Braham is present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I know they are from Braham. They otherwise always tell so many points. What happened, man? Not well,
Nothing, ma'am. Just I just have dry cough. That's why. I don't speak much.
Hmm. You had a breakfast, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm. See, I think you're till 11 o'clock, 11:30 till you're working, I think so. Am I right?
Yeah, nah, not 11:30, but more than that, ma'am.
More than that.
Normally, like seventh standard and all, I would just sleep like 11:30 and get up like 5:30 now. That's what the
Ah,
normal time. So now it's like
so now,
somewhat like 12 or 12:30.
oh, 1 hour extra. So you're
Yeah.
completely extended to 1 hour extra.
Um,
Okay. But minimum you sleep for 8 hours. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
That because that is very important. Because spleen function is playing a major role in cleaning our body. Spleen is very very important. Do you know where is spleen? Where is
Yes,
spleen?
ma'am. It's a part of lymphatic system only, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
it's a part of my immune system, ma'am.
Ah,
And it's near
that
our
ah,
armpits. Yes, ma'am.
yes. It will work out only when the body temperature will be less and light should not be there. It should be dark and that our environment should be dark. Then only it will be working out in a very full, powerful way. So the spleen function is playing a major role in our body because it is cleaning all the toxic chemicals. No, so you take rest. Okay, that is first important. And minimum 6 hours to 6 hours minimum, maximum 8 hours. But don't sleep till 10, 12, and that means body will become lethargic. It will not. We will get too much of pain. Over pain will be there. So 6 to 8 hours means we can be active. So yeah, now you are in growing state, you sleep well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But anyway, this 4 years you have to work hard. From ninth standard onwards, you should work hard like anything for your entering a good college. So ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 4 years. Anyway, when you are coming for 10th standard next year onwards, it will be, I think so. Maybe they will implement the national education new education policy, and
Education.
so hopefully they may implement and. So you may have only semester pattern, but semester pattern, what is the advantage and disadvantage? This in semester pattern we will study in depth because only one term one means only 6 lesson will be there, and 6 lesson within 6 lesson we have to set 70 marks or 80 marks. So in depth you will study. Okay, in depth we can ask question because more marks now. So you will study very nicely. And next say term two means you will not study the first term, so everything will be forgetting. That is a disadvantage case in semester pattern. The term one we will not have the recap. Whereas full year full book means term one and term two also you will continuously study, and you will while moving out of class 8 you will have one little good collections of your points. Whereas semester means then and then we will forget. First after November we will not touch that term one portion. So we will start only with the term two also in study in depth. Then afterwards, we will not, we will have only in term two only in memory when you are going to ninth. Term one will not be have that much detailed information. So what I'm saying is whether it is semester or non-semester, whatever you are studying, you should have a recap. Then and then you have to go through that previous lessons what you have studied, just like that one thing. And more one don't stress yourself for marks. Marks anyway till 12th only you have to bother about the marks. Now at this age, class 8 is very very important age because you will have the urge. You will start thinking who I am. Like that, psychologically you will have the different hormonal development will be the hormones. Because of the hormones you will have that mindset also will be different. You feel you are very important individual in the society, like that, and all that mindset will be there. So what I'm saying is you try to get a lot and lot of information. That is very important. Loads of information you have to keep it in your memory. That is very very important compared to marks. Don't narrowly, if you think of marks, then the stress only will be there. So anything if you study, go for a wide study. Okay. See, actually, I can restrict only to the textbook. A textbook is very friendly. You can read like just like a storybook, and you yourself can learn the lessons. It is not so difficult. Why I'm going little behind? Actually, I've thought about up to 11th standard portion. Why means this loads of information is very very important at this age. Then only you feel confident. For that hormonal urge, you can support your memory, brain power. So that is very important in any subject. You go beyond the textbook. Okay, don't stick only to the textbook, only to the marks. Parents will be there. Parents, of course, they will ask why mark is less, this, that. They will often scold. Parent means they'll talk. They, because we are old generation now. Even I am also talking to my daughter when I am talking. I am telling to you, but when I talk to my daughter, I will immediately ask what is a mark. Then she'll say, why you are thinking like a old lady like that. She'll scold me. Then only I'll come to my, yes, I should not ask. I should ask how much information you got it like that. And slowly I am also changing. So normally, father and mother, they will more worried about the marks. Now at this point of juncture, and now you have to concentrate only marks in class 12. Okay, because of the new education policy. So 12th only you will study, you will write for the board exam. Whereas
For the new education policy, 12th is not free, ma'am.
12th is junior college, second year junior college. It is second year juniors.
But we have literature and public exam, ma'am, this year.
10th no public. Year after it will be semester, 9th semester, 10th semester, 11th semester, 12th only you will have the board exam. See, what's the thing? What's the time? What point I want to say is when you are writing single board exam for the entire school years, entire years means it will be very tough. So you prepare thoroughly whatever you are studying now itself. You prepare a wide range, wide. Okay, clear? So you have lot of time now. You have freedom to refer the Google and all. Previously, when any last year and all, if any class 10 and class 12 PTA meeting means often complaint will come from the parents only. Children are always in mobile. They are not listening. As even mother also will tell, father also will tell. Sometimes I can see father also crying in front of me. So many things will be there. But now that within a matter of 6 months, everything has changed. Everything has changed. Now we are
You need to read the mobile.
mobile and system only. Like that, the system has changed. We are close to that. So you will have a lot of see mainly when you are seeing any information with .org you check. .org means it is specifically for education site only. .com instead of .com you can go for .org. .org. .org means you will have a very proper information. Okay, and you can see that. Now I referred for this cell structure. I referred biology for kids. That website only I referred. And normally I used to refer that encyclopediabritannica.com. And that is authentic site. You'll get lot of information how the discovery was made, how everything was made. So we'll feel like yes, this and all is there, like that we'll feel because we are getting new information. Now, whenever you get any new information, immediately your serotonin level will be higher. Okay, that is a very important hormone which makes you happy. So whenever you get any information, new information means you yourself will be yes, I know this, like that you will feel. So that hormonal level also will be very good and you will feel very happy. So that Britannica encyclopedia.com, that encyclopediabritannica.com is really good for kids. And moreover, if you register means every day, what are the important event happen in the, suppose today is 29, what are the incident happen in history that will come quickly.
Ma'am, I have already registered the previous year.
Oh, very good. Well done. So actually, when we are not having exposed to that much internet, that time we will hunt for Britannica only. Britannica book only. We have seen DK multimedia one book will be there. One small on the corner of the book itself, one small book shaped structure will be there in red color letter. It will be written capital D and capital K. That is really very good book for reference. Whenever my daughter gets for CCA prize and all, I'll hunt for that book in the stall. It's such a wonderful book, and the paper will be very smooth and colorful. Loads of information will be there. Forever you can keep. Not only for this school age, any time we can refer that book. Like that book will be there. And now you have a good amount, good sites are there. So you refer and study more. Instead of study more means collect information more. Anything if you are going in depth. Okay, olden days history it was there. Now it was middle it was developed like this. Latest research was going on like this. Like this, if you develop means then you will feel great. When any people outsiders come and talk to your mom or dad or high level if they talk also, you can also give your point. So they think, oh, this child is in class 8, he knows many things like that. They will think and go. Okay, yeah. So information will feel you great. So collect more information. You can keep on small notebook and whatever information you are coming to new things if you are getting means write in that like a diary. suppose today if I'm so far I taught about the cell structure. You would have studied while referring some of the references. You would have studied new points. That and all you can note down. You can note down. So that in few little gap here and there, if you keep means it will be helpful for your future reference also. Any new things added, but then in that gap you can write. Like that you can develop that habit of recording your studies. Okay, that is very very important. You can have one ordinary 80 pages or 100 pages notebook you can take regarding any lesson. If you are studying that lesson heading you can write, and you can write that important point. Don't copy entirely from that Google or anything. Just you can read, and which is striking you newly mean that you can write it in small color pencils. Otherwise, write it in pen and you can shade it with yellow color or red color crayons, so that you feel yes. And after 10 years, otherwise after 5 years, if you go and see your notebook, means you feel very happy. Yes, that day, that 13 years age itself, I have done so much. Why not now? I have to do like that. You will get the spirit. Okay, right. Now we'll go for plant cell and animal cell. What is the first point for plant cell? What we can write?
What has been backload? That is cell wall, ma'am.
Cell wall.
Made up of cellulose.
Cell wall is present. Cell wall is present. Here we write as
Cell wall is
absent.
Screen is switched off, ma'am. Now we can see.
Second point, what we can write?
Plant has a big vacuole compared to animal. Animal has a less or no vacuole.
Very good. Big vacuole. Presence of big vacuole. Presence
Small or concentrated.
small or absence of. Third,
Chloroplast, ma'am.
instead of write plastic.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it is including all along. Plastic are present. Plastic are absent.
No. No. யாரு நீதான் வந்துட்டியே
Only 3
இதுக்கு
points.
முன்னாடி கூட
Any
எஸ்
point
மேம்
is
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இல்ல மேம் கேட்க கூட எஸ் மேம் தான் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன்
so far.
Ma'am, centrioles are present in plant cell
சத்தியமா
while
ஏமா
centrioles are absent in
நிஜமா
animal cell.
Ma'am, mitochondria makes energy, produces
Yeah.
ATP in animal cell and chlorophyll does it in plant cell. Ma'am.
ஓஹோ ஏய் நீ வந்துடா உன் போட்டோ கூட பார்த்தேன்டா ஐஎம்எம்ஏ இல்ல எப்படிடா இல்ல உன் போட்டோடா அப்படியே மூணு மூணு வச்சுக்கிட்டு
What is the role of centrioles?
ஒயிட் பேக்ரவுண்ட் அதானே
Ma'am, in plants, ma'am, centrioles or centrosomes are the organelles in plants which help in cell division. They are only present in plant cells.
Why in animal
நான்
cells
எல்லாத்தையும்
cell division is
ரெக்கார்ட்
no?
பண்ணி யூடியூப்ல போடுறேன்
But they don't have centrioles. Ma'am.
No, in I know.
Ma'am,
In
எத்தனை
nerves
update
and only the
update
centrioles will be absent. So far, I know that.
ஓகே இந்த மாதிரி
But,
Because I have learned like in plant cells, centrioles will be that which helps in the cell division. But while in animal cells,
டேய்
it
நான்
will be
எப்படி
that
ஸ்கூல்
because
குள்ள நட போறேன்
animal cell division takes place because other things, ma'am, but not because of centrioles.
டேய்
Because
உனக்கு
they
எதுக்கு
don't have-
மட்டும் டைம் டேபிள் அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டேன் நானு
No, Brahan. So far, what I have studied is centrioles is absent in nerve cells. So nerve cells only cannot undergo cell division.
வா
Whereas
ரொம்ப
other things can
சந்தோஷப்பட்டேன்
undergo.
போல
Anyway, I will
exam
check it out. I will refer.
டேய் அது உள்ள போய் பார்த்தா கன்ஃபார்ம் ஏதோ ஒன்று காட்டுச்சு ஏதோ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் இரு நான் ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்
And I can't hear you.
I'm not talking at all.
Huh? Okay, okay.
Present
None.
present tense animals. I will take attendance now. Only 34 is there.
Ma'am, the founder of plant cell is Sheridan, ma'am, and the founder of animal cell is Schwann, ma'am.
But it is present. Centrioles, micro in animals and centrioles organ. It is there. It is there, man. Absence of centrioles in nerve cell, you write. Only in nerve cell. Absence of centrioles in nerve cell. Generally, don't say that absence. It is there. It is there. I was saying that what. So, okay, now I'll pick the attendance. Anurati. Anurati present, huh? Say yes, madam. Anurati.
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti. Dikshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Gopika.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashini Bala.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashita Sri.
Present, ma'am.
Tejivi. Jessica. Jyotsna.
Present, ma'am.
Roshini. Megha. Nigal.
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita. Rakshana. Sara.
Present.
Shreya.
Present, ma'am.
Sri Movina. Sudarshini.
Present, ma'am.
Sudisha.
Present, ma'am.
Priyambika.
Present, ma'am.
Hasini.
Present, ma'am.
Adit. Ambleswaran.
Present, ma'am.
Amit.
Present, ma'am.
Who is Ambleswaran present?
Yes, ma'am.
Amish.
Present, ma'am.
Arjun. Arjun. Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Dinesh. Devi.
Present, ma'am.
Kurusai. Harish. Hiresh.
Present, ma'am.
Haripreet.
Present, ma'am.
Emmanuel.
Present, ma'am.
Jashwant. Jayvant. Jerish.
Present, ma'am.
Tanit. Ashraf. Nirmal Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Nishant. Raju Vignesh. Who is present?